This extremely stylish and comfortable design from G4 will have you ready to go to the golf course in a brand new style. It mixes a super reliable design with athleticism, using a very neat camouflage designed outsole to give it a nice range of color with some bright appeal. The upper is made with a 100% waterproof pebbled full grain leather that has more of a narrow fit. If you're in between sizes, you should order a half size up. It has an easy lace up to keep it secure, and inside it's made with a no break-in needed fully padded interior that uses antimicrobial mesh. The foam footbed in the bottom is made with triple density foam to give you great cushioning with a massage-like effect in every step, while the double row welt stitching in the midsole gives it longevity. The outsole is made with a super strong bespoke cleat design, giving you on-course traction without the need to replace any of those spikes.